do you get stumped when you're faced with solving trig identities or trig proofs? Let's fix that. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to start with this trig proof. And what you want to remember with the trig proof is you only move one side of the equation. So since this side of the equation has a whole lot of stuff and this is a single piece, we're going to move this side. All right, next thing is to decide, where do you start? Well, one thing to look for is squared terms, right? Because we know we've got our Pythagorean identity, cos squared plus sine squared equals 1. Don't see those. The next place to start is something like a tangent or a secant or a cosecant, where we could convert it back into sine and cosine. So we'll do that as our first step. Okay. The next place we would look is just plain old algebra. We have two terms here that are fractions. We know the stuff to do to make that all over the same denominator. We're going to multiply each term by the denominator of the other. So in this case, we're multiplying by cos x over cos x. And in this case, that's not very pretty, but we're multiplying by 1 minus sine x over 1 minus sine x. All right, so our new denominator is going to be cosine x times 1 minus sine x. I would not multiply that through yet. Most likely, we're going to cancel something. So I'm just leaving that as those two terms. Okay, on this side, our new numerator, cos x times cos x, that's cos squared x. That should make your little math heart go pit-a-pat because we can see a Pythagorean coming our way. Minus, now I'm going to put a bracket rather than trying to do all the steps at once. Sine x times 1, sine x times negative sine x, minus sine squared x, pit-a-pat. Okay, now I'm going to distribute my minus. So I get minus sine x plus sine squared x. I'm going to rewrite that. So I've just reordered my term here, cosine squared x plus sine squared x minus sine x, because cos squared x plus sine squared x is just 1. So 1 minus sine x over cos x times 1 minus sine x. That's why I didn't multiply it through. They cancel, leaving me with 1 over cos x, which is secant x. Check. All right. Leave any tricky problems you're wrestling with in the comments. Consider subscribing to my channel so you know when I put out a new video. And as always, keep on mathing.